Simplified 7th grade. Your lesson for today in your English is page 18. And what's so awesome is that we don't have to do the last English book, so we are able to downsize our requirements per day to get done. So today you have one page. And the reason I did that is because you have some questions out of the Swiss Family Robinson book that could take you a little bit of time. But what I want you to do, if you look, it says, we have already learned that a novel has several minor problems or conflicts which help to develop the plot. In other words, when you're reading a book that's not true, they often take different things that happen throughout the book to develop the whole book. And it says they want you to write at least one problem or conflict faced in each chapter below. So I have a page number down for every one of these answers. It'll help you. You can go to this page number and you should be able to find something that they were dealing with that day on that page. The problem or something they were trying to take care of. So if you have your pencil, get your pencil ready, and I'm going to give you page numbers, and that'll give you a clue on where to look. So on number 1, you're supposed to go to chapter 30. Go to page 320 to 326. Pages 320 to 326. In those pages, you should be able to find a problem. Number 2 says chapter 31. Look on page 341. Page 341. Number 3, look on page 382. Page 382. Number 4, look on page 394. Page 394. Number 5, look on page 423. Number 6, look at page 429. 429. Number 7, look on page 455 and 456. And number 8, look on page 467. All right? If you missed some of those, just go back and rewind the video. You should be able to hear all of those. And that should help you guys out with coming up with these answers. If you still have a problem finding something, send me a WhatsApp or a text or something, and I will give you an idea. All right, then the bottom of the page says read the following excerpts, noting the words in italics. Okay, so the first one they gave you is the birds most congregated. These are sentences, I'm assuming, out of the Swiss Family Robinson book. And you are to write the definition. You're supposed to do the matching on the definitions down below. Again, I would encourage you to Google these words, and you should be able to find the answers. Google what congregated means and see if you know what it means, or maybe you can look on the definitions and what would birds do? The birds were doing what? What do you think congregated means? The evergreen oaks were also patronized. What does patronized mean? And so if you don't know these words, just go to Google, use your mom's phone or your computer or whatever, and see if you can come up with these definitions and matching. Okay, that's all for today. I don't think it'll take you guys too long. The main thing is going to be looking up and finding these answers on the top of the page. But let me know if you can't come up with anything. See you tomorrow.